Hey, what's going on everyone? OnePlus Nord 2 just got launched a couple of months ago, and the hype for the Nord 2 successor is building up really quick. OnePlus Nord 2 was very well received by the Indian consumers, and most of them are waiting for the next Nord phone, which could be called the OnePlus Nord 3. People want to know what they will get in the next Nord phone, and some leaks regarding the phone have been surfaced through some articles online. So in this video, we will discuss about all the leaks and details on OnePlus Nord 3 that have been floating around online. We will discuss everything in brief, like the launch date, the price and the specifications of OnePlus Nord 3. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Souvik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we want to tell you something important. Almost 99% of you watching our video have not subscribed to our channel. To support us more, smash the subscribe button as we bring informative tech news for you all week. Also hit the bell icon for future notifications. At first, we'll talk about the expected specifications of OnePlus Nord 3. Some of the details about the phone might get wrong. You should take all the information with a pinch of salt, as these leaks are based on some online articles and the company has not confirmed anything yet. The phone is expected to come with an immersive 6.44-inch display that will have a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels so that you can enjoy watching videos and playing games with a crystal clear view. Besides, the phone is rumored to have 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage variant. With such high internal storage, you will be able to store your videos, movies, songs and other stuffs without worrying about space constraints. The camera specifications of the upcoming phone are really impressive. On the front, the mobile is expected to feature a dual camera setup, a 32MP one and an 8MP one. On the rear, it is expected to have a quad rear camera setup, which comprises a 48MP main sensor, 8MP telephoto lens, 5MP sensor and a 2MP sensor that will let you click some mesmerizing photos. This smartphone from OnePlus is touted to be equipped with octa-core processor so that you can enjoy a smooth and lag-free performance while accessing multiple apps and playing intense graphic games. The way they introduced MediaTek chipset on the Nord 2, most possibly they could use MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC this time to power this device. Furthermore, the mobile might run on Android 11 operating system and houses a decent 5000 mAh battery. Hence, you will be able to play games, listen to your music and watch movies or videos and do other stuff without worrying about your battery life. Various connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and 4G connectivity will be there like all other smartphones. For now, it is not confirmed if the phone will come with a 5G connectivity option or not. Moreover, sensor might include accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass. The smartphone is rumored to measure 8.2 mm and it might weigh around 184 grams. Now let's talk about the price of OnePlus Nord 3 in India. The price for the OnePlus Nord 3 in India is likely to be under 40,000 Indian rupees. The OnePlus Nord 3 is speculated to be launched in the country at the end of this year or the first quarter of 2022. As for the color options, the OnePlus Nord 3 smartphone may come in marble blue and grey color options. For now, we have got to know only this much of information about this phone. Please let me know if you are really excited for the next Nord phone. If you really find this video informative, then please hit the like button. A like will motivate us to make more exciting videos for you. To support us, kindly subscribe to Phone Politics. Also, the social media links are in the description. See you guys in some other videos. Bye.